2016 Nissan Maxima V6, 3.5 liter V6. Still got factory converters up there somewhere. Then a third converter, then a giant resonator, and then it continues and it winds out. And we took the two mufflers off, this one and this one, because here we don't like mufflers. And then we put some 4-inch tips on it, right there and right there. There it is. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. And it's a SL edition. So we'll see how she likes it. If she wants it louder, we'll take the resonator off next. 2017 Nissan Maxima, 3.5 liter V6. It's got a aftermarket system on it, the MOTORDYNE, wide pipe setup, and mid resonator. Then it duals out the back, 2 1/4 all the way back, and then 3-inch tailpipes. It had two mufflers on it, straight pipe mufflers, that we took off because they had that side like for drone, the MOTORDYNEs right there. Those two, took them off because he could not fit those tips on it, and he wanted tips. So what do? We cut them off and put tips in their place, right there and right there, and put 3-inch pipe there and there. He wanted it louder anyways. So there, that's what it looks like. MOTORDYNE system, full complete cab back. There you go. Ooh, baby. Give a guess. You want it louder? Ride it for a week, see how you like it. If you want it louder, it'll be another $100. Then we'll take the middle one out.
Okay, okay, we'll do that.
Again? Give a guess. About 98, 99. That's not bad. Go ahead and back it up. Those tips look so much better. Put it in sport mode. Let you guys hear on that side. A really beautiful wrap on it, as you guys can see. All right, let you guys hear it. Yeah, it's not too much. It's perfect. It's actually better now. It's a little bit deeper. Again. Let you guys hear the sound decibels. Go ahead. 104. Go ahead and bring it back. That's the sound decibels. How much sound? Those numbers. Beautiful car. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Nissan Nissan Maxima. Yeah, bring in that one actually. Let him just bring it in. Nissan Maxima with a MOTORDYNE system on it. And a nice body kit. It's got airbags. He's got it really clean. Brought it down.